and welcome to English Story TV, the YouTube channel and podcast that is designed to help you improve your English. Today's episode is about the role of newsreaders on television. Introduction. Newsreaders on television play a crucial role in the world of media and communication. They are the faces that greet millions of viewers, presenting the latest updates from around the globe. In this video, we will explore the responsibilities, skills, and impact of TV newsreaders, especially considering the ever-evolving landscape of news broadcasting. Responsibilities of newsreaders. The primary responsibility of a newsreader is to deliver news to the public in an accurate, clear, and impartial manner. This requires them to stay well-informed about current events, understand the context of each story, and be able to convey complex information in a way that is easily understandable. Newsreaders must also be adept at handling live broadcasts, which often means thinking on their feet and responding calmly to any unforeseen situations. Another significant duty of newsreaders is to maintain professionalism at all times. They represent their news station and must adhere to its standards and values. This includes dressing appropriately, maintaining a neutral tone, and respecting the sensitivity of different topics. Newsreaders also have the task of interviewing guests, which requires them to ask pertinent questions while being respectful and fair. Skills required. Effective communication is at the heart of a newsreader's job. They must possess excellent language skills, being articulate and concise, to ensure the audience understands the news being presented. Moreover, good newsreaders have the ability to engage with their audience, making viewers feel informed and connected. Another essential skill is the ability to remain composed under pressure. Live broadcasts can be unpredictable, and newsreaders must handle unexpected challenges, such as technical difficulties or breaking news, with grace and professionalism. Furthermore, newsreaders must have a solid understanding of media ethics and law. This knowledge helps them navigate the complexities of reporting on sensitive or controversial topics, ensuring that the news is reported responsibly. The impact of newsreaders. Newsreaders have a significant impact on public perception and opinion. They are often seen as authoritative figures, and their presentation of the news can influence how stories are understood and received by the public. This makes it essential for newsreaders to be unbiased and factual in their reporting. In addition, newsreaders play a key role in shaping the trustworthiness of a news channel. Viewers often develop a sense of loyalty to specific newsreaders, which can translate to trust in the channel itself. Therefore, the credibility and likability of newsreaders can directly affect the viewership and reputation of the news station. Challenges and changes. The role of newsreaders has evolved significantly with the advent of digital media. Social media and online news platforms have changed the way people consume news, leading to challenges for traditional TV newsreaders. They must now compete with a myriad of digital sources, making it crucial to adapt and stay relevant. Moreover, the fast-paced nature of today's news cycle means newsreaders must work harder to stay informed and provide timely updates. The rise of fake news and misinformation also poses a challenge, as newsreaders must ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information they present. Conclusion. TV newsreaders hold a pivotal position in the media landscape. They are not just presenters, but trusted figures who inform, educate, and connect with the audience. Despite the challenges posed by digital media, the role of newsreaders remains integral to delivering news in an effective and responsible manner. As the world of news broadcasting continues to evolve, so too will the skills and responsibilities of these key figures in journalism. Thank you for staying until the end. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.